Hi, this is Mindy Fiscus, Digital Access Coordinator and State E-Rate Coordinator for the Learning Technology Center of Illinois. Many times I get to talking to school districts in our state who are brand new to E-Rate. Maybe you've inherited it from someone else, maybe it's your first year applying, and you're trying to figure out if your school district has a BEN or Build Entity Number so that you can request access to the USAC page and the EPC portal. In order to do that, all you need is your school district zip code. So I'm going to go to the USAC page now and open usac.org is the website that takes us to the USAC website. From here, I'm going to click on schools and libraries to take us to the E-Rate tools. And then from the left-hand side, I'm going to look under resources and tools and go to the tools list. Under the tools list, I'm going to scroll down and look for the Build Entity Search tool, search for BEN information. This is built in as a tool on the USAC website so that you can find out information about all of the build entities in your zip code. So today we're going to use Jacksonville as an example. The zip code there is 62650. And I'm going to click search down here on the right-hand side. The tool will provide me all of the school buildings in that zip code, as well as the libraries and private schools that exist in that zip code. So I'm going to look here and see, I'm looking for this Jacksonville School District, and I happen to know that's Jacksonville School District 117. So I'm going to make a note down here, 136658 is the Jacksonville BEN number for their district. I can also find that there are other offices and buildings within the district that are represented. Here is the Jacksonville School District office and their BEN number, as well as the Jefferson Elementary School, the Lincoln Elementary School, and the North Jacksonville Elementary School. So there are several school buildings in this particular district. All of them are listed here on this page. Again, you'll also find BEN numbers under this zip code for libraries, and you can see the first one here is the Capital Area Consortium, and also other buildings and districts that you hadn't really thought of, as well as non-instructional facilities like bus garages. There's also entities that are representative here of school districts that are part of the juvenile justice system. So if you're looking for your build entity number, this is how you do it. Just go to the USAC site. You're looking for the Search BEN tool under Tools and Resources on the left-hand side of the page.